How we traded last week. How we traded last week. Let's see my signal room to get a grip of how we traded last week. Alright, so last week was on, let's say, began on, since I trade synthetic indices. Normal trading week will begin on Sunday. Let's see. I didn't actually take trades on Sunday. I actually didn't take trades on Sunday. The only trades I took were some swing trades that we are holding. However, let's say, okay, these are swing trades, right? So from Monday, this is what uh, signals I shared from Monday, right? Right. Okay. Right. These are our signals so far on Monday. Right. Took a whole lot of signals on Monday. Right. Right. So volatility 10 index, volatility 10 index. I gave a buy for volatility 10 index. Right. Okay. Alright. On Monday, I give a sell on GPP. I gave a sell on GBP USD. I gave a sell on NZD USD. I gave a buy on USD CHF. I gave a sell on NZD CAD. Right, and I give a buy on volatility 10 index. Right, so I gave a sell on Wall Street 30, which is US 30 Dow Jones. Right, right. I give another buy, for volatility 10 index. Right. Right, so the trade for US 30 haunted stop loss. Trade for US 30 haunted stop loss. Right. So, so the buy for volatility 10 index, right? The buy for V10 index is still valid. Previous trades running in good profit. So I gave two signals already on V10 index, and they are all running in good profit. You can still enter if you missed previous entry, right? So this is just me updating my members that they can still jump in. They can still grab the opportunity to enter the trade if in case they missed the previous entry, right? So buy running in good profit, the market continually testing and validating our golden zones. The buy setup is still valid for entry in case you miss previous entry opportunities, right? And note, I have reviewed TP settings to suit the present market setup, right? So this is just me updating my team, right? So we are beginning to take profit now, right? Here we took, and TP1 was smashed for V10 index. TP1 was smashed, right, for V10 index, right? Another TP was smashed for V10 index, right? So another TP was smashed for V10 index, right? So another buy setup for V10 index. Check screenshot for Excel and TP settings, right? and TP was smashed for V10 index. TP was smashed for V10 in the index. Alright, so this was a sell setup. This was a sell setup for V10 index. Sell setup for V10 index. Just screenshot for Excel and TP settings, right? However, this haunted Excel, this haunted Excel, right? So I further gave this signal for by PPCHF, right? By PPCHF, right? Our take profit for um, GPP, our take profit for GPPCHF rather. This signal is supposed to be for GPP card, right? It was a mistake, right? I guess I notified my team here. I notified my team somewhere around, right? The chart is for GPP card. This very chart is for GPP card, right? And then, right, this is the signal for GPPCHF that smashed TP1. TP1 smashed for GPPCHF, right? And we made over 1,120 pips on this trade within it for 6 days, right? GPPCHF, right? Made over 1,120 pips, right? It was a good trade, right? And I notified my team to move Excel to break even, right? So also another buy setup for we took a buy setup for volatility 10 index. Buy setup for volatility 10 index. Check screenshot for Excel and TP settings, right? Well, our Excel was haunted for volatility 10 index. This time the market told us goodbye, right? Instead of going to our TP, it told us goodbye, right? And haunted our Excel accordingly, right? But however, we move, right? Buy setup for volatility 10 index. I gave another buy signal for volatility 10 index. Check screenshot for excellent TP settings, right? So you can see this, right? And accordingly, the market respected it and moved to our TP1, moved and smashed our TP1 accordingly, right? And furthermore, we added additional entries, another buy setup for V10 index, XL and TP settings coming on the next peaks. Internet is slow, right? So, right, while we're waiting for price to smash TP2 on the previous buy, we took more buy entries, right? Accordingly, and like you can see, my members, signal room members are confirming that TP2 has also been smashed accordingly. TP2 has been smashed accordingly, right? So me updating them because I needed to give out a screenshot on the settings for the second setup we took. Right, my internet really slow. I still haven't set parameters for the second entries, right? So, however, at this point, I have actually set the parameters and I now notify them that okay, this is the parameter. Check screenshot for excellent TP settings, right? For this very trade I gave earlier for the second buy setup, right? And accordingly our TP1 was smashed. Our TP1 was smashed move. Um, and we moved our Excel to break even, right? And here our TP2 was also smashed. Our TP2 was also smashed, and this is how the chart looked after our TP2 was smashed, right? This was the entry point, right? This was the entry point. This was the entry point, right? And eventually, this is what the chart looks like afterwards. This is what the chart looks like afterward, right? Right. So I further gave um, we also took profit. We also took over 600 pips profit on USDC HF, but I further gave another entry and another um, signal for USDC HF, right? Even after we've collected over 600 pips already in profit, right? So this is buy setup for V10 index. I gave a buy setup for V10 index. Check screenshot for Excel and TP settings, right? So here is it, right? You can see, right? Trade moving accordingly, right? And our TP1 was smashed. TP1 smashed, right? So TP1 smashed for V10 index. Move XL to break even, and here our TP2, right? Heading to our TP2 accordingly, right? And our TP2 was also done and dusted here. You can see TP2 was done and dusted here, right? So accordingly, right? This was a late entry signal I gave before I could give set the parameters to share it. The market is already moved accordingly, but however, um, another opportunity came here for entry, right? So I notified opportunity for entry. A sell now for V10 index. Check screenshot for excellent TP settings. However, the market further changed direction, and I also updated my team, my members, that also buy setup, right? So we should treat it accordingly, right? So the odds played itself out. The XL was hunted for the sell, but the buy, the buy setup smashed TP. The buy setup smashed TP accordingly. Right? The sell hunted XL, but buy smashed. Take profit accordingly. Right? So this was also a buy setup for V10 index. Check screenshot for excellent TP settings, right? So you can see that, right? TP smashed under a twinkle of an eye, right? So this was quick. The TP smashed accordingly, right? So it is what it is, right? Right. So I also gave this buy setup for V10 index. Check screenshot for excellent TP settings, right? Right. So this is my student. This is my trainee, um, a member of my signal room. He's also a trainee asking me some question regards what actually validated my entry, right? But I just told him that, to good morning, sir. I say hello, good morning. That was blah blah blah, just asking, inquiring, right? So our TP1 was smashed accordingly. Our TP1 was smashed accordingly for this trade, for this buy setup, right? This buy setup, right? Our TP1 was taken accordingly. TP1 smashed. Move XL to break even, right? We further took another buy setup. We also took another buy setup here, right? Check screenshot for excellent TP settings, right? I will give, right? So me responding to my member, right? He's also a trainee of mine, right? But he's following my signal room, so I just told him that I wouldn't want to share my psychological thoughts in my signal room. I would rather send him a DM, right? Responding to his questions, right? So he actually understood, right? So the point is, a lot of signal providers would never allow you comment on their signal room, right? Because maybe they know what. But for me, it's more like an interactive place for me and my members, right? An interactive place for me and my members, right? So the buy, we're holding the buy, right? Our buy eventually smashed. TP1 smashed for V10 index, right? And right, TP2 also was smashed accordingly. TP2 was smashed also accordingly, right? So this is just me updating my team, right? To learn how to exercise trading psychology, right? This is me updating my team to learn how to exercise trading psychology, right? So this is how we traded. This is how we traded last week, right? So you can see that the signals were from Sunday up until Saturday, right? Signals were from Sunday. Sunday was the 8th, right? So I gave some signals on Sunday and up until Saturday. This is Monday. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Thursday, Thursday, Friday, right? So this was Saturday. Saturday was yesterday, right? So right. Right, so out of the numbers of trades we took, let's see how many that was won and how many that was lost. How many TPs did we take and how many stop loss were hunted. Right, let's see. Let's see. Right, this is just um, to show you what consistency means. Consistency is just to show you what consistency in trading, what it means. Right, right. So right, so let's see the Excels. I'm trying to look out for where the Excels were hunted. Where the Excels were hunted. All right, so we have one Excel hunted here for Dow Jones. One Excel hunted for Dow Jones. Right, that is one for the week. One Excel hunted for the week. Right, two. This is the second Excel hunted for the week, which is two. So that was like, was it on Wednesday? Right. So no, that was on Monday or Tuesday. Yeah, right. So this is the third Excel hunted for the week. Three, 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 three. Let's just see out of all the trades we took, how many of them hunted Excel. Right. Three, three. So we found like three Excel hunted. Three Excel hunts, right, for the week. Right. So this is the fourth Excel hunt. This is fourth. This one, I guess we had if an Excel hunted. Excel hunted for V10 index, right? Excel hunted for. This is the fourth Excel hunt, right? Let's see. For Excel hunt. Excel hunt, right? All right, so that is it for the week. We got four Excel hunts, four Excel hunts. Now let's see profits smashed. How many profits smashed did we get for the week? Right, we know that we got four Excel hunts, and let's see profit smashed. How many did we get? How many profits did we smash for the week? Mm, no, this was for last. This was for 2 weeks ago, right? The week started on Sunday, right? So let's see Sunday, right? So looking for profit smash, right? There's a profit smash, TP smash for V10 index here. TP smashed, right? One TP smash. 2 TP smashed, 2 TP smashed, right? 3 TP smashed, 3 TP smashed, yeah, 4 TP smashed, 4 TP smashed, 4 TP smashed, 5 TP smashed, 5 TP smashed, 5 TP smashed. Alright, so this is TP2, 5 TP smashed, 6 TP smashed, 6 TP smashed, 6 TP smashed, 7 TP smashed, 7 TP smashed, 8 TP smashed, 8 TP smashed, 8 TP smashed, 9 TP smashed, 9 TP smashed for USDC HF, 9 TP smashed. Right, this is 10 TP smashed, 10 TP smash, 10 TP smashed, 11 TP smashed. This is 11 TP smashed. Right, 11 TP smashed, 11 TP smash, 11 TP smashed, 12 TP smashed, 12 TP smashed, 12 TP smashed. Right, right. This is 13 TP smashed, 13 TP smashed, 13 TP smashed. This is 14th TP smashed, 14th TP smashed, 14th TP smashed, and this is 15th TP smashed, 15th TP smashed. So we got 15 TP smashed and 4 Excel hunted. Now let's see. The total will be 19 entry setups, 19 entry setups for the week. Right, so we got 4 of them was Excel hunted and was 15 of them was TP smashed. Right. So like you can see, total is 19. The total is 19. Right. So let's see. Total is 19. So let's see our win rate. 15, which is TP smashed, um, divided by 19. Like let's say our winning rate for the week, right? Divided by 19, multiplied by 100. So our winning consistency rate for this week was 78%, right? So which is my within my minimum, right? At least I'm looking at between 80% every month, right? So this 78, my winning rate for this week is 78.9%, 78.9% this week, right? So Let's see our losing rate for the week. Losing rate for the week, 4 divided by 19. 4 divided by 19, right? Multiplied by 100, right? So we lost 21%, right? We lost 21%, right? So when we add 21% plus the 78.9%, they're about 78.9%. So you see that we, as a fraction that was there, you can see that, you can see that we, right, our winning rate, the what consistency means is you're winning more than you're losing, right? When you're winning, how much do you win? And when you're losing, how much do you lose, right? Winning consistency trading, being consistently profitable in trading is winning uh, big and losing small, right? So let's see my history. Let's see my history, right? This is the week. This is the week. This is my history for the week, right? So you can see how it looks, right? You can see how it looks, right, for the week. Right? When you're winning, how well are you winning? And when you're losing, how well are you losing? So basically, that is just what profitable trading means. Consistently profitable trading. That is what it means. To be consistently profitable in trading doesn't mean that you're winning every trade. No, it means that you have a higher winning rate than your losing rate. Right. So I'm doing this just to motivate someone there, just to tell you that trading isn't actually gambling. Trading is not a scam, just as a lot of people would tell you. Most of those people do not have the adequate knowledge in trading, right? Most of them do not have the adequate knowledge, trading knowledge, so they would go and gamble in the market with poor trading psychology, little or no risk management, and at the end of the day, when they blow up capital, they would begin to call trading gambling. They will begin to call forex traders scammers and all of that. So I'm just doing my part just to correct that notion. I'm doing my part just to correct that notion. So I hope someone is motivated. All right, let's see. This is a new week. Let's see what this week holds for us. I will keep pushing. We'll keep pushing the bars, right, on the room, on my signal room, right. I and my members, I'll keep giving good entry setups, right. And the goal is we welcome the outcomes, right? So, and we are positive that the outcomes will always be positive because we have, where I know I have a winning edge. I know my strategy, right? I know I have a good trading strategy that gives me good winning edge, right? So the odds of the market will, in the long run, be in my favor, right? It doesn't matter how the day ends, right? What matters is within a space of 1 week, how well did you do? Within a space of 1 month, how well did you do? Within a space of 2 weeks, how well did you do? Within 6 weeks, how well did you do? In 2 months, how well did you trade? 3 months, how well did you trade? 6 months, and so for me, I just like journaling. I journal a lot of my trades, so that gives me a level head. That just gives me a level head on trading, knowing that okay, this is my strength, right? This area is my strength, right? You don't need to be here and there, right? Just get a winning strategy and keep pushing the bars, right? So I'm sure that this will motivate someone somewhere to know that if you have the right trading knowledge, you you would win. You would win in all of your trading endeavors. I wish you good luck this week. Well done.